I'm super happy to announce that the Aprilia RS50 with a YZ85 engine in it is doing much better. I've touched pretty much every part on this bike, and it was mind-boggling to me because it was running just fine before I tore the engine apart and put it back together. The engine leak down is fine, the seals are fine, everything is great. I made sure of that. I actually replaced a few things. If you look back through some of the videos, I've touched on a lot of that. Something that a few of you guys brought up was gearing. So this was the gearing that I was running in it when I was doing the 24 hours 3 years ago, something like that. The last time this bike actually ran. And in the back there was a 42, and in the front there was a 13. So on the bike right now is a 12 and a 47, much closer to the stock YZ85 gearing. It comes with I think it's a 1347 stock, so very close to stock. A little bit more torquey since I went down one in the front. This perplexed me to no end. Why should I change the gearing if it was right before, right? Well, something I didn't think about was that this engine hasn't really been broken in. It's had a couple of heat cycles, but realistically those rings probably haven't seated well yet. So the bike really isn't making its peak power. Its peak power may have been enough to drive this gear set, but currently it can't. So my plan now is to break it in with the gearing that's on it. Might step up to the 13, we'll see. But to break it in with the gearing that's on it and do some suspension work in the meantime. That way I can run the bike enough to break it in and potentially move back towards this gearing. These rears that I get are from Rebel Gears. They're custom made. They're 428s. They're a 428 pitch, which is the stock YZ85 gearing. I believe the Aprilia comes with a 420 stock, so a little bit thicker. They're about $70 if you want to have one shipped from Rebel Gears for the rear. Not too bad. I have two of them now, and I've been super pleased with the entire process. You just call them up, and they're like, yep, we got it. We'll ship it out to you as soon as we can. And I want to say I got the new gear in about a week, which is pretty impressive. So I'll leave a link to Rebel Gears down below. I know I've been dragging my heels on this bike, and a lot of it comes from I didn't want to start doing a full build out on it until I knew that the engine was right. And I wanted to be able to test it. I wanted to be able to test the changes that I was going to do to it. So finally overcoming that issue, I've got some nice Racetech heavy springs to put in the front, which should help with the porpoising that it does. As soon as I get on this thing, it just dives. The front forks are not meant for somebody my weight. I weigh about 200 pounds on a good day. With gear, I'm probably pushing 230, if not more. So we need to stiffen up the fronts. I do have an aftermarket rear in here. I'm not in love with it. The eye-to-eye spacing is a little bit more than stock. So if you've ever noticed, this thing does lean over a little far. It's because the back end is picked up a little bit. It has a stiff shock on it, but it's not ideal. So I'm going to see if we fix the front, if I can tune the rear. If not, we're going to go ahead and we're going to put another rear in it. If not, we'll go back to stock and put a heavier spring in it. We'll figure something out for it. But the good news is I'm excited to work on it again because I can actually ride it around and test my changes. So if you're looking for more Aprilia content, there should be plenty coming up on this bike. I want to clean up everything, get it nice and dialed. I want this bike to be as dialed as my KX65. I trust my KX65 like no other bike in the stable. Not the RC, not the 500, not the 50. If I want to ride a bike and I want it to be perfect, KX65 is the way to go. I want the Aprilia to be just that way. So we're going to do everything we can to get it just like my 65. So thank you for hanging out with me in the garage, and I'll see you on the next one.